If you spend time on the road, you are bound to witness irresponsible driving. And no matter how careful you are, you can always be affected by another driver's bad decisions. To avoid paying for the actions of irresponsible drivers, you need a device which you can always rely on as a personal eyewitness. The Rexing V1 has been that device, proving itself time and time again as a necessary addition to vehicles everywhere. Reliable, intuitive, and immensely powerful, the Rexing V1 offers several exceptional qualities which distinguish it as a top-rated dash cam. The discreet design of the incredibly lightweight body features a low-profile form, making it practically invisible to other drivers. The camera records at an impressive 4K Ultra HD resolution with an immensely wide 170-degree field of view. With today's most advanced image sensor, it provides up to 4 times more image clarity than previous generations, ensuring less blind spots, more fine details, and outstanding image quality. Using wide dynamic range technology, the V1 can automatically adapt to any light condition, day or night. Rather than use a standard lithium-ion battery, the Rexing V1 camera is powered by a supercapacitor to guarantee you long-term reliability in even the most extreme temperatures. The camera also features a 2.4-inch LCD screen, which you can use to play back your recordings at any time. And sharing your footage has never been easier, thanks to the camera's built-in Wi-Fi. The Rexing app interface allows you to quickly and easily transfer your clips directly to your phone or tablet. Document your driving experiences with a personal eyewitness that's always there when you need it. Highly functional and always reliable, the Rexing V1 offers peace of mind to responsible drivers everywhere.
USB-C female to USB 3.1 male ADAPTER4 pack. Reversible USB 3.1 transfer speed. Compared those which one side supports USB 2.0 and the other side supports USB 3.0. This USB 3.1 USB-A to USB-C adapter is with high technology IC chip built in, supporting USB 3.15 GB per second super speed data transfer when either side plugged in. It can be used to charging or data transfer for iPad Pro. Faster data transfer. Data transfer speed is up to 5 GB per second both sides. The data transfer speed is dozens of times faster than other USB 2.0 adapters, sync movies, music, and more in seconds. It supports up to 2.4 amps of power output for charging your devices. Plug the USB-A to Type-C adapter into a USB-A port, allowing you to connect your standard Type-C device, saving trouble of carrying extra cable around. More user-friendly and durable THE converter connector is gathered with aluminium alloy metallic minimalist, ensuring longer lifespan even plug-in and unplug it hundreds of times. And it fits very well to your devices, so you don't worry about loose connection or devices constantly disconnect without much movement. Wider compatibility. This USB-C female to USB-A male connector allows to connections to your USB Type-A laptops or chargers with USB Type-C cable, USB Type-C hubs and USB Type-C peripherals and power banks. Package and warranty. You will get 4x USB-C, female, to USB-A 3.0, male, adapter, 1x user manual. No hassle lifetime warranty with 12-hour response service is friendly offered. At UDIC, zero risk purchases for every customer's smiles. Wireless earbuds for iPhone Android. High-performance Bluetooth 5.0 chip provides ultra-stable connection, faster pairing and universal compatibility. It only needs to be manually connected for the first time. The earbuds can automatically turn on and connect with your smartphone. When removed from the charging case, automatically turn off and charge when returned to the case. Built-in 2000 mAh rechargeable battery charging case, wireless earbuds can play for 4 hours on a single charge. Portable charger box recharge can provide 80 hours playback. The advanced charging case can provide Bluetooth headphones long-term battery life while charging mobile phones as a power bank. The unique stereo sound quality and design gives you the perfect sound, and you can feel the more realistic music. Double moving coil is a great addition to strengthen high definition in both high and low frequency. Our wireless earbuds are also excellent in noise cancellation. You will totally immerse yourself in the professional hi-fi 4D surround sound. The earbuds' ergonomic design allows them to fit in your ears safely and comfortably. In addition, we provide 3 pairs of different sized ear caps. Small, medium and large, so you can find the optimal fit. Our headset buttons are easy to operate. You can switch songs and answer calls at any time. At the same time, our headphones support the Siri function. For your health, please don't wear headphones for a long time. You can get 2 wireless Bluetooth headphones, 1 2000 mAh magnetic charging case, 1 user manual, 1 USB charging cable for earphones, 3 pairs of silicone ear molds, 12-hour response-friendly customer service.
These high-powered binoculars provide 10 times magnification with 25mm objective lenses for high-definition sight at 1,000 yards. Plus, the 1.03-inch eye relief makes the image sharp without changing colors or blurring. The rubber armor and anti-skid design makes the binoculars waterproof, shock-resistant, and durable. The foldable design and 0.6-pound weight means you can take it everywhere. Great for bird watchers, hunters, hikers, spectators, theater goers, and more. See further.
If everything outdoors is your kind of thing, get ready to fall in love with the FX100, our newest, most rugged Bluetooth speaker. Enjoy hiking, fishing, beach party or a crazy dance with your toddler in a whole new way. Your new speaker is tough as nails and certified shock-proof, dust-proof and IPX4 waterproof party freely. And don't worry about accidental drops, splashes, or your kids breaking it. External noisy conditions are no match for our newly developed loudest Bluetooth speaker. Just turn the volume up, relax and absorb true 360-degree surround sound, thumping bass and crystal clear highs out in the open or indoors. We've completely eliminated distortion at high volumes for your maximum listening satisfaction. Don't get stuck with a dead device at the wrong time. Our waterproof Bluetooth speaker with 7000 mAh heavy-duty rechargeable battery to easily recharge all your mobile devices. No one likes a dead battery. FX100 plays for up to 35 hours. Just imagine the amount of fun you'll have at a picnic or on your boat on a single charge. Simply click to take end calls and use the built-in noise-canceling mic to talk to your loved ones. Seamless connection to all Bluetooth devices, iOS and Android smartphones, computer, PC, Mac, laptop, tablet, TV, iPhone, MP3 player. Ergonomic buttons for volume and track control on waterproof speaker, low battery indicator lights, FM radio and many more. Make everything you do more fun with FX100 waterproof Bluetooth speakers, or we'll refund you. 1-year warranty and 30-day returns makes the best Bluetooth speaker a zero-risk purchase. Also, enjoy our world-famous A++ customer care.